Max. Nike, bro, what's going on with you, bro? What up, everybody? It's your boy Beamy back in it again with an X1 remix. Remix. I don't really know what they remixed about the shoe. But maybe y'all know. Y'all let me know down below. But let's get to it. I figured out what the inspiration to the Nike Air Max 1s. The pack is inspired by 90s street style and features pattern accents ranging from camo to plaid throughout the Nike Air Max 1. It has white mesh with black suede mud guards and bolt-like accents throughout. Highlighting the shoe are its plaid and camo pattern overlays. So that's what it was. So it's pretty much inspired from 90s style. It also reminds me of the Air Max 95s. I'll post a picture up there so you guys kind of see. But like I said, all around it's a dope shoe. It feels real good in hand. Materials on deck, and you know, they did well. And like I said, I really dig that lenticular tongue. The Nike Air patch on the tongue is real nice. Nice touch. So as you can see, we got the red Nike box with the Nike and the swoosh. Woo woo. As you can see, it's a size 11. And the official colorway is white, black, and pure platinum. So, without further ado, let me show them to you. Yeah, man, these are the Air Max 9. Why do I keep saying Air Max 90? Air Max 1 remixes. So, what we got here? We got this gray, I say gray nubuck, Nike Air Green, more like chlorophyll swoosh. We got that. Got the black nubuck down here as well. White midsole with what I would call a chlorophyll AirPod, as you can see. We got the Nike Air on the tongue, and it has a lenticular background, as was seen on the Air Max. Nike, bro, what's going on with you, bro? As seen on the Nike Air Force 1 Reacts. So lenticular is just kind of look at it at different angles and you see something different. With these right here, I think it's more of a camo lenticular background. So you got the gray swoosh here, got the gray suede here, Nike swoosh here, and it's more like a rubber kind of material. It's different. And you see, I see Nike with the ombre. It fades from a dark color to a lighter color, and they did that right here. So if you look, it's black, and then kind of fades out to this camo. That's all around good. Got a green lining on the tongue, and you got a white toe box, again with nubuck down here. You got black, and like I said again, I'm gonna call it chlorophyll on the outsole, and that's pretty much it. Materials are good. I like that I like that lenticular. Oh, can't forget we got, again, I'm gonna call them chlorophyll on the eyelids. It's a nice hit to it, kind of brings it all together. You got camo right in here also, and it's a clean shoe. It's clean, it's very simple, easy to rock with anything, and I like them. Sizing, these are size 11. I'd say they fit true to size, but wearing them though, I think I probably could have went down half a size to a 10.5, but all my other Air Max 1s are 11s. If I can recall correctly, they are 11s. Pricing $130 with tax and everything came out to $140. Not too bad on the pocketbook. But I do feel like I can catch these on sale. I checked at Champs again and it had a full size run. So I don't know. I'll say it hits at an 8, but it's only right. You guys are here for your own feet, so let's get to your own feet, baby.